friends, and welcome back to my channel. I filmed a tutorial today on this look. I thought it was just a really nice, pretty look that you can wear for Valentine's Day since that's coming up. That was a really choppy sentence. Wow. So yes, Valentine's Day is less than 2 weeks away now, so you guys are probably looking for things to put on your face. So this is something. If you're not sick of these Valentine's Day tutorials yet, which you probably are, I hope you keep on watching. I hope you just keep it rolling. Let's just go. Let's just start. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna start off by grabbing MAC Soft Brown, and I'm just using a Sigma E40 brush, and whoa, that is the magnified side of the mirror. And I'm just going to sweep this into the crease, just as a transition shade, as well as on kind of the outer corner too. Okay, next I'm grabbing Makeup Geek's Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to be using I think it's an E35. Again, the number's worn off. It's a Sigma brush, and I use it all the time, so I can't tell what number it is anymore. But I'm just kind of doing the same thing that I did with Soft Brown, but just bringing it down a little bit lower to keep that gradient. And then next I'm gonna go in with Makeup Geek's Cherry Cola, and I'm just going to be using a Zoeva 224 brush, just because I want to keep this nice and soft. And same idea, I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna kind of slowly blend into the crease a bit as well. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I used before this, the second brush I believe, and just kind of go over everything just to soften it, blend it all together. And then next I'm just gonna go in with some ABH Pink Champagne. I haven't used this in forever, so I figured now's a good time, you know? I'm just putting some on my finger, and I'm going to just swipe it onto my lid. When I have less product on my finger, I'm just kind of going and tapping over the edges to blend everything out. All right, and next, just to keep it a little bit softer, I'm going in with the Tarte Tarteist Clay Paint Liner in Bronze. I just have like a little sample size one of it. And I'm just going to use this to create a wing, and I lost my light. Sun, come back! So I'm just following my lower lash line to extend out the wing. And then once I've got it to the length that I kind of like it, I'm going to start to bring that inwards. I'm not going to go right to the point though, probably about halfway. And that's where I'll place down my brush to then connect it into the rest of my eyeball. And if you look down into your mirror, it's a little bit easier to get a smooth line when you do that. And then just going from the inner corner, drawing a thin line to connect everything. I like using the bronze because it just creates a lot softer of a wing. It's not as harsh as using black. Not that I have anything against black eyeliner, I just, sometimes you want something a little softer, you know? So that's what I'm doing. Those look pretty well even, I think. We're just gonna roll with it. Okay, next I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I find if you apply mascara immediately after curling your lashes, it holds the curl a little bit better. And I'm using the, what is this? L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is basically a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is probably my all-time favorite mascara. But I'd say now my favorite mascara is this one, because it's just as awesome. but $10 cheaper, so I'll take it. I'll take all the savings I can get. And then I'm extra and I like to do a second layer but with a different mascara, so I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion, and this one's waterproof as well, so it will kind of help it last a little bit longer too. And especially with the winter time right now and I walk outside and my eyes just start running, I need the waterproof so that I don't look like I just cried a lot. Alright, I'm gonna zoom you guys back out to do the rest of the face. This is just the Makeup Forever Nourishing Primer that I'm putting all over my face just to kind of create a nice even base, hydrate my skin because it's dry. I've just taken a little container here and I've basically mixed a bunch of foundations together, so I'm just going to see how this goes. I don't even know if this... Oh, it's a pretty good match. It's maybe a little dark. Probably have way too much though. It's fine. And I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. Doesn't totally match, so I'm just kind of bringing it down my neck a bit here. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer. I'm just going to put some dots under my eyeballs. Again, just blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm just gonna go back in and finish up underneath the eyes. I'm first gonna take Cherry Cola, which is the deepest color we used. And I've just got it on a little short shader brush here, and I'm going to smudge this into the lower lash line. And then on a pencil brush, I'm just gonna go in with Cocoa Bear, is that what it was called? Yes, Cocoa Bear. And I'm just going to use that to smudge out Cherry Cola. And then on this really small, oh my god, I keep on dropping everything. Okay, on this really small tapered blending brush thingy, I'm just gonna go in with soft brown just to blend all of those together. Make it nice and smoky. If you've been on my channel before, you know how I feel about a really smoky under eye, so this isn't anything new. Oh, it's the greatest when there's just a little dot of mascara. That worked. Apparently using the end of a brush works to wipe away a mascara dot. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara because it's waterproof, and I'm just gonna add this to my lower lash line. Not my lower lash line, my eyelashes. You know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to finish off the... I don't know why I always talk when I'm going through drawers, because clearly you can't hear me. Clearly you're just hearing the drawers. Anyways, I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. That's what it's called. I don't know. I felt like I was wanting to say more there and then I had nothing else to say. I'm just going to put this on my face and bronze. Okay, I want just a really pretty soft pink blush, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite, which is MAC Mineralized Blush in Dainty, and it gives a little bit of a glow too, which is nice. I'm just gonna apply this to the tops of my cheekbones. I've been applying my blush up a little bit higher lately, so I kind of apply it more to the top of my cheekbones as opposed to like on the apples of my cheeks. You know what I mean? I feel like that's just what looks better on my face because my face doesn't have bone structure basically, so I have to make one. I have to make some bone structure in my face. I don't even know what I'm saying today. I did not sleep last night, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna put some on my nose as well. I feel like this is the only highlighter I ever used on my channel. I'm gonna use the Gleam Glow Kit, and my usual, I mix these three colors together and put them on my face, so I'm gonna do that. It's just such a nice highlighter. I miss the old Anastasia formula for highlighter. I feel like they got very, very glittery and chunky, and the old ones were just like nice and smooth and just gave that really nice glow, whereas they don't do that so much no more. They're just like chunks of glitter, and I much prefer not super glittery. Okay, and to finish this look, I'm going to apply lipstick. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Bachelorette. And it's just this pretty kind of pinky red color, because like would Valentine's Day be complete without pink and red? Alright guys, so that is everything for this video today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys try it out and go on hot dates, hot Valentine's Day dates with this look on your face, because that would make me feel really good. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below and I will do that. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I film videos on Friday and I put up videos on other days that aren't Friday. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.